Gonna take DogeCoin to the moon. Making this crypto mean $1 soon. I'm hoping it's safe, we can assume. Don't actually assume this. We're taking DogeCoin to the moon.
Oh, darn it.
You might have studied the economy for 7 years and...
Welcome back to Cali Crypto209. My necklace just dropped off. Let me try and get it back on. I know. I haven't been here for a good amount of time live streaming. I do apologize. Last week was really busy for me for its work, and I just couldn't get on to do a live stream. But I am here. Oh my god, these nails. I cannot get this necklace back on. Bear with me. DogeCoin actually fell below 20 cents. Oh my god, I did not anticipate this. I did not expect it. Well, actually, I take that back. I did anticipate this. I warned you guys a couple live streams back, whenever it actually was that I did live stream, that there was a market correction looking as though it was coming fairly soon. And lo and behold, we are in a market correction, pullback, whatever you want to call it. The market is much further below than we were just a couple weeks ago. So DogeCoin at 17 cents for 5. We were at 18 cents for quite some time. This is with the help of Bitcoin falling below $32,000. We were trying to push above $32,000 quite persistently for Bitcoin. But there we go. But Bitcoin did not capture $32,000 for some reason. We had a pretty hard correction below $32,000, and that is where we are currently for Bitcoin at $31,500. Still holding quite well. I think I have been smash buying quite avidly for Bitcoin. Key milestone has been met in my Bitcoin career. I have made it to a whole 10th of Bitcoin, which is quite substantial considering how much that actually is in today's term. Now, it was a lot less when I was buying, because I was buying around $45,000 up to $55,000. There even was a little sprinkled in of $58,000. So I was buying at all-time highs, even though still I have been accumulating Bitcoin at these lower regions, basically half of where we were for Bitcoin. So what is going on? I'm not too sure what is going on. I think it is a little bit of the Grayscale shares of GBTC being unlocked. I think it was today. So it's just a little bit of FUD. People saying, well, can they sell those, or is it going to, make the market correct a bit more? But I don't think that really had anything to do with it. It's more or less just paper hands and big whale manipulation. So we have to remember that this is cryptocurrency. If you are still here invested into cryptocurrency, then you really do have some diamond hands, because your diamond hands have been tested time and true again to see exactly who we can kick out of the market, basically. So I have not been kicked out of the market. I'm still holding my DogeCoin. DogeCoin has come a very far way still from where we are. I remember mentioning it a while back, saying, well, DogeCoin would actually have to fall to 12 cents or below 12 cents for me to actually start to lose on my investment, just because I was buying a lot around 12 cents down to 8 cents. But DogeCoin is holding strong. with the recovery in Bitcoin, I know that DogeCoin will be coming back. It was pretty hard seeing DogeCoin right when we dropped below that 20 cents threshold. I did see that there was a bit more of a pullback in play because Dogecoin was not holding 20 cents. But I just I was speechless. I know I was speechless because this is a great buying opportunity. We have lost a lot. It's not necessarily a loss until you sell your cryptocurrency holdings, but the value amount of our cryptocurrency, it's hard to see the value amount of your cryptocurrency continue to go down and not necessarily have a part in that. But what you can do, you can dollar cost average. If you have a higher entry on your position, this is a good time to average down and get your average cost down. I know my average cost on Robinhood, most likely from trading, is still around the 30 cents mark. So I have a 30 cents average cost on Robinhood. That's because I was buying and selling Dogecoin around 50 cents and then, buying back my position at 32 cents, I think it was. Or no, I actually bought back a little bit right below 40 cents. So I said I was waiting for sub 40 cents, and then I bought my position, I think it was around 38 cents for Dogecoin that I actually re-entered on my 11,000 Dogecoin. And since then, I have just been holding my position, not really trading as much as I was because the volatility just, it's here, but the big swings is where you can make a much larger return on your investment or your trades. So I'm not trading Dogecoin. I'm going back to the basics and just buying more in my position. And I'm very happy to do that at 17 cents, below 20 cents. I did not think that Dogecoin would actually break the cusp of 20 cents. But since we have, this is a great buying opportunity. We will see how long we actually do stay at these levels because, when we have pullbacks and corrections, it does take a couple days to a couple weeks for things to actually recover. But I know that Bitcoin is going to have an unbelievably massive recovery back up to $40,000. It doesn't seem as though it's happening because we have been in a downtrend for the past few days. But just be patient. I know it's hard to be patient watching your money go down, but this is cryptocurrency. And the people who were in cryptocurrency in 2017, 2016, they saw plenty of these market corrections and pullbacks. So this is just another test in your portfolio, in your diamond hands, to see exactly how far or exactly how long you will be in the market. This is a test to kick people out of the market so big whales can accumulate not only at lower prices, but they can also accumulate more cryptocurrency. And I think that is most likely Bitcoin, with this fixed supply being at 21 million tokens. Whales are definitely buying up Bitcoin, and the miners as well are also. Jay, thank you for joining me. Oh, Jay, it's so funny. I actually thought about you, Jay, and I was like, well, I remember Jay saying that he actually pulled out of his position or you sold J and J. My goodness, that would have been the perfect time for accumulating Dogecoin at a lower price. I think we were at 22 cents or 23 cents, and Jay said that it's one of my viewers. Jay said that he actually sold some of his cryptocurrency in order to buy more Dogecoin and to get, was it 90,000 DogeCoin, Jay, I don't quite remember. I think you said 90,000 DogeCoin. You were right below 100,000 DogeCoin. So, Jay, if you still had capital on the side, this is what I'm telling you guys. Make sure you have capital on the side. Now, if that is selling your DogeCoin at these lower levels, and you had purchased in at a higher price, and it means selling your Dogecoin just so you can have capital on the side, then so be it. Because selling your Dogecoin at 20 cents and then really not knowing that we're going to fall to 17 cents, but just having that capital on the side for these moments is very important. So then when these moments actually do happen, when the correction for cryptocurrency does happen, then you can buy back your position, and you can actually buy back a larger position than you had because you have a lot more capital than you did just keeping it in the market. But it's not a bad thing. I'm trying to fix this camera. It's not a bad thing to keep your money in cryptocurrency, because I have basically all of my money in cryptocurrency. I barely have any of this dirty fiat left just to pay necessities. Jay says, I'm loving these lower levels. It's giving me so much time to keep accumulating. Jay, that is the mindset we must have, because I can recall, this is a good example, Cardano, when I was getting on the hype of making YouTube videos, I do apologize, you guys, for being so late on making another update. But yes, when I found Cardano, and I actually did not even buy Cardano. It was at 74 cents. I remember seeing Cardano at, I think it was 30-something cents. It was right around where Matic was. Matic around 30 cents. And then I found Matic at 30 cents. Matic made it up to $2. It actually surpassed what Cardano did. So I'm still very, very bullish on Polygon Matic. I love Polygon Matic. I think they're doing very good things with that ERC20. But yes, this is a very good time to accumulate. As I did state, having that capital on the side, ready to buy these dips, is the best thing to do. And DogeCoin had a nice spike up to 1750. We did fail to hold 1750. Of course, Bitcoin did not hold 31,500. But this is just so funny, because the price movement we're having for Bitcoin, I have never seen this before. It's just consistent price suppression for Bitcoin, trying to get Bitcoin below $30,000. I know these bears, or whoever is selling Bitcoin, is really trying to get Bitcoin. But the dip to the dip, Jay, yes, you have to wait and time your investments correctly. But once you do, oh man, you can just gobble up all that Dogecoin, all that Ethereum, all that Cardano, and Ethereum is holding pretty well. I will say a nice spike up to 1900. I did kind of fumble into Ethereum and bought it at $2,000. Right at $2,000, I'm like, oh, we're gonna keep going over $2,000 for Ethereum, and look, no, Ethereum is back down to 1880. So this is the test, and I love the moment of being tested in the crypto markets, because Dogecoin was at a penny. It was below a penny. And Dogecoin is still at 17 cents. So I'm not scared. I hope you are all not scared and panic selling. Panic selling is the worst thing you can do, because then when everyone is panic buying what you're panic selling, the price actually then spikes back up, and you're left thinking, well, why did I sell? And now it's back up to this price. And, oh, I should have waited and sold it at that price because it's back up to here. So try to have the mentality to not sell in the red. It's super, super, super hard, especially if you are a trader, to see your profits actually decreasing because you have not exited your position. And I've gotten really into trading cryptocurrency. I think trading things like Shiba Inu and some of these other meme tokens to gain on your Bitcoin is pretty smart, because there's a lot of volatility. There's a lot more volatility. There's a lot more gains to be made in these smaller cap altcoins. So if you do have the capital to play around with, then go for it. I do think that trading cryptocurrency, there is a lot of money to be had. Again, don't have the mentality of selling your cryptocurrency in the red. You want to sell your cryptocurrency when it is in the green and when it is spiking up, not spiking down. You don't want to continue losing money, because then when it spikes down and you actually sell, the cryptocurrency goes back up. I have done this plenty of times. I've done this maybe 15 or maybe more than that, maybe 30 or 40 times. The cryptocurrency goes down. You've actually sold your position thinking that it's going to continue going down. That particular token does not continue going down, and then it has a reversal and actually continues going up. So you basically lose a percentage or an amount of your cryptocurrency, because when the token actually goes higher, you get a lower amount of cryptocurrency for the dollar amount that you're purchasing. So as cryptocurrency goes up, your fiat money increases, the value of the cryptocurrency increases, and the money that you put into cryptocurrency increases. So when you withdraw or cash out your cryptocurrency at a higher price value, waiting until it goes back down, then you can actually purchase more tokens or more cryptocurrency at a cheaper or lower price value. And that is what these whales, that is what these big cryptocurrency traders are consistently doing every single day. They're gaining on their cryptocurrency. They're accumulating more cryptocurrency, and basically you're accumulating cryptocurrency for free, because you're not putting more capital into the market. You're using the capital that you already have invested into the market by selling and then buying back in at a lower price. Now, it's very lucrative. It's very hard to do. It's very hard to time. This is why I was saying that I'm not necessarily doing that, because you don't know when DogeCoins will spike back up to 20 cents. And then if you're selling, making ins and outs on your position at 17 cents, DogeCoin spikes up to 19, 20 cents, you're going to have to, or you are going to get a lot less tokens at that higher price value, because you were not in your position. But it does not hurt to have capital on the side, capital that's not in the market, capital that that you're going to invest into cryptocurrency, but you're just having it on the side, waiting for some nice buying opportunities. And that's what you do. You just buy and you buy and you buy more. And once you think you bought enough cryptocurrency, I'm sure you don't have enough cryptocurrency, and then you buy a little more. Because a lot of people actually do not have a half of a Bitcoin. I am still in a nice time in my crypto portfolio, trying to push up to half a Bitcoin. I am just 0.4 Bitcoin away from there, so I have been smash buying like no other. This is a gift. This is a gift to those. Oh, Jay, I was thinking about it too. Cabo, here we come. This is a gift to those who are still in the cryptocurrency markets, knowing that Bitcoin is going to make it to $100,000, possibly well over, not even possibly, it is going to make it well over $100,000. So holding my Bitcoin until then, keeping my Bitcoin in DeFi, because I have gotten a lot into DeFi, and earning that passive income on your cryptocurrency is going to be the new it. And just accumulating as many staking coins, as much Bitcoin and Ethereum, even USDC, if you do not like the volatility, you can still gain interest on your US dollar if you have it in stable coin. That is still a good way to earn passive income. If you have thousands of dollars to invest, put it in stable coin. If you don't like the volatility, if you don't like your money to appreciate over time, if you just want it to stay the same but still earn that interest, put it in stable coins. Put it in USDC and USDT, Tether, and then earn that interest on Gemini, Binance, all these DeFi liquidity projects that you can utilize to earn more cryptocurrency. It's out there. It is out there for us to take advantage of. And if you are not taking advantage of these lower price values, when the market continues to go back up, you're going to say, oh wow, I remember Bitcoin being at $31,500. I remember Ethereum being below $2,000. And again, this is when Ethereum was at $1,800 and it shot up to $4,200. And everyone's like, man, I remember buying Ethereum at $1,800. I remember buying Ethereum at $1,300, and look where it is now. I could have accumulated a lot more at these lower price values and had the dollar amount of my cryptocurrency be worth a lot more because the price values are back up to where they were. Now for DogeCoin, well, excuse me, let me drink something. For DogeCoin, 74 cents, I know it's hard to hear, but 74 cents will be quite a substantial move for DogeCoin to recapture. That is due in part of people knowing a lot more about the crypto markets. So when they are in profit, they are going to be taking their profits. It's just how the market moves. It is just the mentality of humans. Humans are very, very greedy. So when we are in the profits, those sellers are going to be taking their profits on DogeCoin. Cryptocurrency is for profit. So if you were in profit, take your profits. I mean, up 100, 200, 300%. Take your profits. Leave a little bit in to play around with and see where it goes, just like this. Taking your profits, leaving the rest to see what happens. DogeCoin falling to 17 cents. You have capital ready to buy more DogeCoin if you'd like at 17 cents. Or you can wait and see what happens. If we continue to dip, you still have that capital on this side to accumulate more. So don't go all in at once. It's very important not to go all in at once and just dollar cost averaging little by little into your position. Let you guys know if you can hear the music. Oh, I can't even hear it now. Maybe I didn't have it. Yeah, I can barely hear the music on my phone. I don't want it too loud. I don't want to blow your guys' eardrum off. All right. Jay, yes, I love that, Jay. For those of you who are in the market at this moment, you will be joining me and Jay on our private island. Jay says, oh snap, we're about to get lit up in here. Yes, we are, Jay. This is a time to have your blunt, your wine, your what have you, whatever your fix is to calm you down, to get your nerves at ease, whatever it is, go ahead and grab that because it's going to be necessary for the current price actions in the market. I hope you guys can hear the music. There, maybe I turned it up a little more. You can hear it now. And Jay, let me know if you can hear the music. I think you guys can hear it now. I turned it up a little more. Last time it was like blowing off the eardrums on the live stream, so I had to turn it down just a little bit for my live stream to be a bit more viewable. All right, DogeCoin at 17.3, 20 points below the nice spike up to 17.5. But just be patient, y'all. It's going to happen. I think that we're going to have a nice pop up to $32,000 for Bitcoin. I mentioned this before. The whales only have so much Bitcoin to sell. Jay says it's perfect. Thank you, Jay. The whales only have so much Bitcoin to sell. We can only be in a bear market for so long. These paper hands can only sell for so long. And once they run out of selling pressure, or once they run out of Bitcoin to sell, once they run out of whatever cryptocurrency that they're trying to dump into the market, it's going to happen because people are continuing to purchase. So it's being transferred from sellers to buyers. That is cryptocurrency. That's what's happening. It is open trade, decentralized trade. It's supposed to be decentralized. Bitcoin is decentralized, though. There was no one who is in charge of Bitcoin. It is a buyer and a seller. And currently, at this moment, people are selling Bitcoin at $31,004. And a lot of buyers are buying it at $31,004. I actually waited until Bitcoin just to see where things can go. And I picked it up at the perfect dip buy of 31.2. That's not to say that Bitcoin isn't going to continue dropping. But I did buy Bitcoin at $31,200. Right where they pushed us down to. So thank you so much to that to the whales, to the Bitcoin whales, for dropping the price of Bitcoin. I am very happy to purchase more cryptocurrency from you. But we're just going to be patient. We're going to see where DogeCoin goes. I know that DogeCoin is going to make it back to 20 cents. It's just a nice support area that DogeCoin does have. If we're failing to hold 20 cents, then we can possibly say that the 12 cent to 15 cent region is in play. But there are a lot of holders for DogeCoin. I'm happy that we have a large community for DogeCoin, and the DogeCoin creator purchased DogeCoin. Mark Cuban purchased DogeCoin, so there's a lot of backing behind DogeCoin, and I'm sure if there is a huge dip buying opportunity, a mass correction for DogeCoin. Yes, we're down about 7 to 8%, or sorry, 6 to 7% for DogeCoin, down about 1 or 2 cents for the past couple days. It's not down 80-90%. Cryptocurrencies can't fall that far, but from the all-time high, it's down about 70-75%. So just seeing from where we came from, DogeCoin at a fraction of a penny, it wasn't worth 17 cents. That's still 17 times from where we were in January. So a 17x is still pretty good on your investment from 1 cent. We about to moon, Jay. Yeah, we're about to go pretty far because, just as I stated, there is only so much selling pressure in the market. All right, thank you guys for the likes. I'm so happy to get the YouTube algorithm out there, getting some more people in watching Cali Crypto 209. I will try and continue my regular schedule of Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Last week was actually my work week, so I was out working all week, even in the heat. It was so hot. Well, I wasn't outside working, but I was just like out of my house, not in my AC apartment. I was just out and about, driving around, running errands, and so I was just busy all week. I didn't have any time to live stream, and even when I did have time to live stream, I was just so exhausted from waking up and going to work and coming back home after that. So I will continue to work and buy more cryptocurrency, earning more of this dirty fiat. I'm still stunned that I can use dirty fiat money to buy wonderfully clean cryptocurrency, beautiful cryptocurrency. It's just a nice exchange. It is a nice exchange for dirty fiat to buy cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is going to moon. Just as Jay stated, cryptocurrency is going to effing go to the moon. And if you are in the market at this moment, I know for a lot of cryptocurrency YouTubers and cryptocurrency channels, the views have substantially decreased because, the market isn't moving. So when the market is moving, it gets a lot more people interested, like, oh yeah, the cryptocurrency markets are moving, now I want to buy. Now I'm going to put a little money into the market because it's going up. But you have to have the opposite of a mindset. When the market is going down, you should get excited. Oh yeah, now I'm going to buy, because when the market goes up, then I can sell at a higher price. Not saying you have to sell, but if you decide to sell, then you will be in profit selling, not selling at a loss. So I've seen one of my crypto portfolios go from a little over $3,500. Now I'm I'm well below $1,500. So that is a stark loss of about $2,000, a little over $2,000. That has actually been liquidated out of my DogeCoin because I did not sell. But I'm not taken by it. actually took out my initial investment in DogeCoin, and that is what's very important. Around 55 cents, I took out my initial investment for DogeCoin. So the excuse me, the amount that I have in DogeCoin right now is house money. It is DogeCoin that I got for staying in the market, waiting until we had a spike up. That helped because I found DogeCoin below a penny and held it to 55 cents. So even those who were buying DogeCoin at 0.008 and sold it at 9 cents and were done with the market, had they held at 0.008 up to 55 cents, up to 74 cents, because I didn't even hold my Dogecoin up to 74 cents, I held a small amount of Dogecoin up to 74 cents, but about 40% of my position that I did liquidate at 55 cents. So this is the cryptocurrency market. You learn, and you learn what is necessary for your financial situation. If you cannot handle Dogecoin dropping, these cryptocurrencies dropping, then you should not be investing into the cryptocurrency market. It's just that simple. If this is too hard for you to watch, if this is too hard for you to endure, then the crypto markets are not for you. Because those who can endure the bear market, the crypto winters, those are the cryptocurrency millionaires. Those are the people who have hundreds upon thousands of dollars still invested into the crypto markets because they held these tokens at very, very low price regions. So I do think that from here, from now, in this current moment, we have to understand that this is going to continue happening. This is not just a one-off occurrence. They are going to continue manipulate. I say they. Whales, people who hold a large amount of cryptocurrency, are going to continue manipulating the market, trying to kick people out of the market, trying to get people to sell their cryptocurrency, to fear them out of the market because it has decreased in value by so much. But once Bitcoin makes it back up to $40,000 to $58,000 for one Bitcoin, the tokens that you are holding will be the tokens that you are holding. I know the circulating supply for Dogecoin is vast. Yes, it is still quite substantially more than that of Bitcoin, but the price actions for Dogecoin can still occur. We do still have buyers for Dogecoin. We have people trading Dogecoin. So the upside potential for cryptocurrency has not left us. It seems as though, oh, we're never going to go back up. We've pulled down to these regions, and the cryptocurrency markets are never going to go back up. But they are. And oh, when they go back up, it goes back up even more and then it went down. So if we go down 7%, we can actually go up 10 to 14% of a gain. Okay, so let's just go over what is going on in the market, how to dip a toe into Bitcoin, illegal crypto farm, was also mining FIFA 21 characters. Not sure what that means. Bank of America approves Bitcoin futures trading. Bitcoin trades lower as Square creates a new business based on the cryptocurrency. I think Square is really going to grow from Bitcoin. Probably because of my smash buy on Square and Cash App. I love smash buying Bitcoin on Square. They do offer free withdrawals using Cash App. So I love utilizing free withdrawals for my Bitcoin, not having to pay a transaction fee to send my Bitcoin to friends, to send my Bitcoin to another, to my cold wallet, to store my Bitcoin. So I love Square for purchasing Bitcoin. There are plenty of other platforms to buy Bitcoin, but I think Square, in my opinion, is probably the best app to buy Bitcoin from. It's not the best app to hold your Bitcoin on because there's BlockFi, Voyager, Gemini, to where you can actually earn interest on your Bitcoin. But I don't purchase my Bitcoin on my interest-bearing account. I purchase my Bitcoin through Cash App to get the best available price for Bitcoin, because I do think that Cash App gives you the true price for Bitcoin. Yes, they do have a very, very small fee for purchasing. I think it's like 15 or 5 cents for every dollar that you purchase of Bitcoin. Actually, let me look that up. So for every dollar of Bitcoin that you purchase on Cash App actually takes a percentage off of your purchase for Bitcoin. This is how they make money. 3 cents. So I think it's been at 3 cents for like forever. But for every dollar of Bitcoin that you smash by on Cash App, they take 3 cents. So Cash App is making millions, I'm sure. Possibly more than that. Millions of dollars for people smash buying Bitcoin on Cash App. Every dollar of Bitcoin that people are buying through Cash App, they are getting 3 cents. But if you think about these other exchanges, they are giving you Bitcoin, yes, but it's not Bitcoin true to price. They'll actually hike the price of Bitcoin up to give you a lower amount of Satoshis at that dollar amount. So that is why I like to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and then send it to another wallet. All right, let's continue reading over just a few top articles. The coming rise and fall of central bank digital currencies. I'm not too fond of CBDCs. I just think cryptocurrency is 100% better. Why would you put your money into CBDCs? It's basically like stable coins, but central, it's in the word, central bank digital currencies. It is centralized, meaning that they want to know how much, when, where, that you're transacting with your central bank digital currencies. They want to track every single thing. Even though you can track every single transaction on the blockchain, it's a lot more, it's just a lot more supervised, if you will, for central bank digital currencies than it is for cryptocurrency in general. Is nuclear power the future of Bitcoin mining? That's actually pretty good. I think I may read a little bit of this article. Is nuclear power the future of Bitcoin mining? The Bitcoin network's share of global carbon dioxide emissions is only about 0.13% of the global annual total. About 47 million tons of a rough total of 37 billion tons by some estimates. But despite the fact that many Bitcoin mining firms use renewable sources of energy to mine Bitcoin, Bitcoin is under sustained attack for its consumption of energy, which is just complete FUD. Bitcoin actually tells us, it makes us use cleaner energy. So that is why they're flooding out the market, because our economy is based on oil. So when we start switching to renewables, we don't need oil anymore. We don't need these combustion gas-powered vehicles to run our economy anymore. I think electric vehicles do take up a lot of electricity, but if you implement sustainable and green energy to charge those electric vehicles, I do think that you can offset emissions by a lot. Global carbon dioxide emissions can decrease by a lot, a lot, if we switch to renewable energy and renewable forms of mining cryptocurrency. Throughout the U.S., there are regions that are expanding their nuclear power capabilities, and numerous examples of Bitcoin mining firms pivoting to nuclear power, a carbon-free source that should help to answer those concerns. So I do, Ohio is one of the states that are getting into Bitcoin mining. So there are plenty of U.S. states that are adopting cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining. Florida is one, another state that is allowing cryptocurrency, that is taking in people who are invested into cryptocurrency. I myself might move to Florida, not only for the no income tax on your gains for cryptocurrency, but that they are just implementing cryptocurrency with every single day transactions. It's Smash says, what do you think about Saitama Inu? That's not Shiba Inu. Oh no, that's just another of these, must be another one of these shill coins. Yeah, I'm not too sure about, it's Smash, but I have not heard of Saita. What was it again? Saitama Inu. Yeah, be careful for these meme cryptocurrencies. I did state that if there was any cryptocurrency, any other meme cryptocurrency that I would be purchasing, it would be Shiba Inu, the fork off of DogeCoin, basically. So I think that's basically all the articles going around. Oh yes, the co-creator of DogeCoin speaks out. What did he say? The co-creator of DogeCoin, the co-founder of DogeCoin, Jackson Palmer, speaks out against cryptocurrency. The co-creator of DogeCoin explains why he doesn't plan to return to cryptocurrency. It's controlled by a powerful cartel of wealthy figures, is what he says. So this is what I was saying about the price manipulation with large cryptocurrency holders. People who are holding a large amount of cryptocurrency can move the market substantially. Oh, Dogecoin is doing what we did not want Dogecoin to do. Dropping to 17 cents for Dogecoin. Just be careful. Be careful. Be very, very careful to see where the market actually is going. As I did state, it's only so far. It's for only so long that they can sell into the market. It's only going to happen for so long. So once you feel as though it's never ending, it's just going to keep going down, Dogecoin is going to zero, it can only sell for so long, and the buyers are going to step back in and purchase more cryptocurrency. But yes, I completely agree with Jackson Palmer. It is manipulated by people who were in the market pretty early on, who hold a large amount of cryptocurrency. They are able to move prices by a lot, and that scares the retail investors. So, quote, I am often asked if I will return to cryptocurrency or begin regularly sharing my thoughts on the topic again. My answer is a wholehearted no, says Jackson Palmer. But to avoid repeating myself, I figure it might be worthwhile briefly explaining why here. So in 2013, Palmer and Billy Marcus created Dogecoin as a joke based on the Doge meme, which portrays a Shiba Inu dog. Marcus and Palmer didn't intend for Dogecoin to be taken seriously, but the coin has recently taken off, and Dogecoin is currently one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value, still in the top 10. Earlier this year, Dogecoin hit nearly 74 cents, despite its recent surge in popularity. Marcus and Palmer haven't profited because I think it was Jackson Palmer sold all of his cryptocurrency in 2014, so a little bit after the creation, he actually sold all of his tokens. Let me see where was I at? Where was I at? I lost my spot. Palmer also criticized how crypto is shared and marketed. In another tweet, he alleged that the cryptocurrency industry leverages a network of shady business connections, bought influencers, and pay-for-play media outlets to perpetuate a cult-like get-rich-quick funnel designed to extract new money from the financially desperate and naive. Wow, that was a mouthful. It's pretty funny because their creation actually didn't make them money. It made everyone else who was invested into Dogecoin money, which is just hilarious. The creators of Dogecoin didn't make any profit. The people who actually believed in Dogecoin, the people who held Dogecoin as if they were the creators of Dogecoin because they were holding it, those are the ones who profited off of Dogecoin. I myself profited off of Dogecoin because I held, because I stayed true to my why in my investment, why I'm investing into cryptocurrency, because I know that digital payments, the digital payment systems and set up through cryptocurrency is going to take off. We don't know if Dogecoin is going to be a part of that. It is a lot of speculation to say that Dogecoin is going to take some of that market cap. Dogecoin already has taken some of the market cap of cryptocurrency. But Dogecoin is here to stay. I remember making a live stream stating that Dogecoin is here to stay. We have made a very nice impression on the market, and I think that a lot of the big retail investors, a lot of the big crypto traders do have Dogecoin in their portfolio. It's a no-brainer that they do have DogeCoin in their portfolio, not only for the meme community, but also for the price fluctuations that we do have for DogeCoin. Currently breaking the 17 cent threshold. DogeCoin is at 16.97. This is kind of where we were at with 18 cents. We fell below 18 cents. And then we broke below 17. So if DogeCoin is not holding 17 cents, then we can say that DogeCoin might fall to 12 and 14 cents. So be wary of that. Have capital on the side ready to purchase if you are still investing into the crypto markets. This is a wonderful buying opportunity. I cannot recall the last time DogeCoin was at 16 cents. It was probably around March. So April, May, June. About 3 months ago, we had these price levels of 16, 14, 12 cents for DogeCoin. So if you were looking for a nice pickup, averaging down on your position, getting your average cost down, this is a nice buying opportunity. Not financial advice. This is not financial advice, but people who are watching Gracey209 and excuse me, and bought DogeCoin at 5 cents. They're still up on their investment at 17 cents. Jay, I hope you are still up on your investment. I know it's hard to buy cryptocurrency and watch it continue to dip, because you're like, oh my god, well I could have bought at this region or that region. That is why I cannot stress enough to not only dollar cost average and not buy what you're buying all at once. So if you're buying $100, put in well, I mean, you can do $5.20 or just $2.50. I think I rather would just do $2.50, like $50 one time. If it goes down again, buy another $50, because I just don't like to do the 20, 20, 20, 20. It's just too much. So if I have $100 to invest, I'm going to put $50 in when I see a nice dip buying opportunity. And if the cryptocurrency continues to fall, I'm going to put that other $50 into the market. Then when it goes back up, you're going to break even at a lower price because you continue to purchase. So if you continue to purchase at lower price values, when the cryptocurrency does go back up to a region for you to break even, if you want to take profits, you can take profits much sooner than those who have to wait until the token goes back up to a higher price value for them to break even on their position for where they bought in. I know it's a lot to grasp in one moment, but we just have to learn. We have to learn more about the market and understand the ebbs and flows about what's going to happen. And Bitcoin right now at $31,285, continuing to dip. If Bitcoin does fall below $31,000, it's not going to be for too long, because Bitcoin is finding huge support at $31,000. Just be patient. Just be patient and hold on. That's the best thing that we can do. But yeah, we are looking pretty bad. Hard to say, but pretty bad for DogeCoin. Those of you who were invested at higher price regions, just hold on. Hold on, because I'm still holding on. I am not selling my DogeCoin. If DogeCoin falls to 1 cent, I'll be buying more, because I would love to buy Dogecoin at whatever price it is. It's the same mentality still that I have for Bitcoin. Whatever price Bitcoin is at, I'm going to be purchasing, because I know the next 5 to 10 years, when I'm still holding my cryptocurrency, it's going to be worth a lot more. So Dogecoin trying to tap 1691 is the current floor for Dogecoin. 1691 is the current floor for Dogecoin. Cardano was just at 120, and now it's at 115. So look at there. If you were looking for a nice dip buying opportunity for Cardano, 115. We were just at $1.20 for Cardano. So you can basically gain 5 cents per Cardano if you were purchasing at these regions. But man, I mean, VeChain, 6 cents. Where else are we? Chainlink, $15. Engine Coin, 116. The all-time high for Engine Coin was $3.99, and Engine Coin is at 116. I do like Engine Coin. I actually have a very small position in Engine Coin. Not too big of a position in Engine. Cosmos is down to $10. It's just crazy right now. Decentraland Mana is one that I do like as well. 59 cents is the current region we are at for Decentraland. And it's so funny because I think my last live stream, Polygon was at, what was Polygon at? Polygon was at like $1.20, or let me see the daily chart. Polygon Matic was at $1.20. Yeah, and I was like, things are looking pretty bearish for Polygon. We're probably going to fall to 80 cents. And look at Polygon. Just on the T. Polygon is back down to 80 cents. And I said that. I said I will not be purchasing Polygon Matic until it falls to 80 cents. This is my staying true to my own word and putting my money where my mouth is. I will be purchasing Polygon Matic at 80 cents, accumulating more because I did purchase at 30 cents for my initial position, but this is a great buying opportunity for Polygon. 80 cents for Polygon. Actually falling below 80 cents at 79.9. So let's see where Polygon goes. Dogecoin's still below 17 cents. The price suppression manipulators are trying to keep Dogecoin below 17 cents. Watch out for this nice pop up to 17.50. If we pass 17.50, I think 17.75, possibly even 18 cents would be the next region for Dogecoin to pop up to. But currently, things are looking bearish. It's nothing else. It's bearish. There is selling pressure in the market, negating the buying pressure 100%. I myself have been buying hundreds of dollars of Bitcoin in this very moment at $31,000. I will continue purchasing Bitcoin. I have capital on the side ready to purchase Bitcoin for this particular moment. I was just super excited. I said, have capital on the side, ready for this moment. And I'm ready. As far as they want to bring us, I am ready. And I'm going to continue buying more and more cryptocurrency as I can. From here to the next 6 months, we will be seeing mass adoption continue for cryptocurrency and the crypto markets. So try not to get too scared out of the market. Just be patient with your investment. If things continue to drop, just know that eventually the selling pressure will stop, and we will make our leg back up. All right. The crypto markets are correcting, but we are here to stay. Those of you in the market are true cryptocurrency holders. DogeCoin will be consolidating at these lower price regions. Be patient for us to pop above 20 cents once again for DogeCoin. My next live stream, I will be coming back at you guys on Monday. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will be seeing you very, very soon.